Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another Trinity B1 English test practice. Today, we focus on Part 2, Recent Personal Experiences. This part asks about things you have done lately: work, trips, shopping, films, housework, sport, and other daily activities. My aim is to help you answer clearly with good grammar and simple details. We will give 10 practical tips. For each tip, you get a clear explanation and 2 example question-answer pairs. Read slowly and practice aloud. Tip 1. Use present perfect for recent experiences. Have or has plus past participle. Use present perfect when you speak about experiences that connect to now or happened not long ago. This tense is for general recent experiences, not a specific time. Common forms: I have been, I have seen, I have taken. Do not use a specific time word like yesterday with present perfect. If you want to say exactly when, use past simple instead. Example 1. Question: Have you been shopping recently? Answer: Yes, I have been shopping this week. I bought a new phone case and a sweater. Example 2. Have you taken any short trips recently? Answer: Yes, I've just come back from Brighton. I walked on the beach and visited a museum. Tip 2. Use past simple for finished actions with a clear time. Use past simple when you give the exact time: yesterday, last Friday, 2 days ago, in July. This tense is for completed actions in the past. It shows the examiner you can choose the correct tense depending on the time information. Example 1. When did you last meet your friends? Answer: I met my friends last Friday night. We went to a small restaurant and talked for hours. Example 2. When did you last go on holiday? Answer: I went to Spain in July. The weather was sunny and warm. Tip 3. If you didn't do something, say it naturally and add a short reason. Do not only say no. Use structures like I haven't recently or I haven't yet. Then add a brief reason: because. This shows you can speak politely and give a full answer even for negative questions. Example 1. Have you been for a run this week? Answer: No, I haven't. The weather has been bad this week, so I stayed home. Example 2. Have you watched any new films lately? No, I haven't. I've been very busy at work, and I did not have time. Tip 4. Always add small details: where, when, who with. Short details make your answer believable and easy to understand. Say where you went, when it happened, and who you were with. 2 to 3 short pieces of detail are enough. This makes a short answer into a mini story. Example 1. Have you been to any nice restaurants recently? Yes, last weekend I had dinner at an Italian restaurant with my husband. The food was very good. Example 2. Have you taken any trips recently? Yes, I went to Oxford with my family last month. We visited the botanical gardens and a museum. Tip 5. Use because to explain reasons. Give cause and effect. After you say what happened, add because to give the reason. This shows logical thinking and gives the examiner more language to evaluate. Keep the reason short and clear. Example 1. Why have you been busy recently? I have been busy because some colleagues were on holiday and I had to do extra work. Example 2. Why haven't you gone out much? Because I am saving money for a trip next month, so I prefer to stay at home. Tip 6. Link recent events to future plans. After you describe a recent event, add a short sentence about what you will do next. Use will or going to. This shows the examiner you can use different tenses and connect past to future. Example 1. Do you think you'll go shopping again soon? Yes, I think I will go shopping next weekend to buy a warm jacket for winter. Example 2. Have you seen your friends recently? Yes, I saw them on Saturday. We are planning to meet again this Friday for dinner. Tip 7. Add feelings. Say how you felt about the event. When you add a feeling, happy, tired, excited, relaxed, your answer sounds natural and personal. This helps the examiner see you can use adjectives and describe emotional reactions. Example 1. Have you watched any good films lately? Yes, I watched a comedy last night. It was funny and made me feel happy after a long day. Example 2. Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently? Yes, I visited Paris last month and I felt very excited to see the Eiffel Tower. Tip 8. Talk about small daily activities, housework, cooking, exercise. You can use simple everyday actions as part 2 material. Say what you did, when, and if possible, why. These small examples are fine if you add 1 or 2 details and a feeling. Example 1. Have you done any housework today? Yes, I cleaned the kitchen this morning and did the washing. It took me an hour. Example 2. Have you cooked any meals recently? Yes, I cooked a vegetable curry last night for my family. They really liked it. Tip 9. Use comparison words, prefer or would rather, more than. Add short comparative language to show opinion and grammar range. Use prefer ... to or I'd rather when you compare recent activities. This shows a higher level of control of language. Example 1. Would you rather go shopping or watch a movie? Answer. I'd rather watch a movie because it is relaxing after work. Example 2. Do you prefer watching matches on TV or at the stadium? I prefer the stadium because it is more exciting and I like the atmosphere. Tip 10. End with a short question to the examiner. At the end of part 2, ask one short question related to show interaction. Choose a simple question about their experience. This shows confidence and communication skills. Example 1. Candidate. I went to a concert last month. Have you been to any concerts recently? Example 2. Candidate. I visited a museum last weekend. Do you like visiting museums? Thank you for watching. Practice these 10 tips out loud. Record yourself and listen. Try to add 2 small details and 1 feeling in each answer. Use present perfect for recent experiences and past simple for finished actions with a specific time. Most importantly, relax, smile, and enjoy your conversation. Keep practicing a few minutes every day. You'll soon feel confident and ready to pass your Trinity B1 GESE Grade 5 test.